time I look into your eyes.
Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Angels and Zhane, and I am back. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. If you're not new here, you're probably also used to seeing me with my contacts in. But let me tell y'all something. So your girl has partnered with Firmoo glasses, and I just couldn't pass up. I couldn't pass up. My prescription are actually in these glasses, and I have been wearing them, and I absolutely love them. Firmoo has the most stylish and affordable glasses. I got these. They were $24.99, and they added the anti-reflective coating in them. So it was just a win-win. But let me just give y'all a little detail, a little backstory, and everything about how the whole process went. Now, first of all, trying on the glasses, of course, you know you're ordering online, but you can try the glasses on. It's kind of like AI. You go online, and I'll kind of insert it over here. You go online, and you can put your face onto their website, and when you choose your glasses, it puts it on your face. So you can basically test the frames out virtually. Love that. Another thing is they will help you find your measurements. And that was good for me because, like I said, I normally get contacts whenever I go to my eye doctor. I only get one or the other because of insurance purposes. So I get contacts. But knowing that I can get these glasses, like these frames, cheap with my prescription, I can just do that through Firmoo. But anywho, back to the process. They helped me find my sizing, so that was amazing, and it was no hassle at all. And like I said, they do have the option to add the anti-reflective coating to better protect your eyes, and I do have a 50% off code that you can use. You can also use the link down below. I will include the style that I have on down below in case you guys like this style. And the 50% off code is VELC50. I rate these a 10 out of 10, really 100 out of 10, y'all. I just love them. And I have a 1-year-old, okay? And she has already tried to bebop me. And they are holding up. They are a little dirty now because, like I said, I have a 1-year-old. But when I say durable and the price, could not pass up. Oh, look, you can kind of see the coating. I just love these. I can't wait to get on there and get me another pair so I can get back to wearing glasses, because the price, I can't beat it. I can't beat it, like, versus going to the eye doctor and, like I said, having to choose one or the other because it's so expensive. But if you don't want glasses, they also have shades, so check out that selection as well. And again, be sure to use my code VELC50, get you 50% off. Grab you a couple of pair and come back and let me know what y'all think. But thank y'all for tuning in and checking out my new glasses. Comment down below if y'all like my glasses. If y'all want to see me try a different color or a different style, let me know, because I'm definitely ordering some more. So let's get to it. But thank y'all for checking it out, and I will be back with another haul soon. Bye.